In this video, I'm going to quickly show you, if you have a graphing calculator, how to make a box and whisker plot in your graphing calculator. So together we are going to take this set of data and put it in our calculators for a box and whisker plot. So go ahead and turn it on. If you've been graphing or anything, you may want to clear it using second plus 7, 1, 2. So first thing we need to do is actually enter that data in to this stat section. So go to stat. And then first thing we want is edit. So we're going to put it in the L1 column and just type it in, 14, then press enter, 27, etc. Before moving on, make sure and double check your data and see if you typed it all in correctly. Alright, so I typed in all of my data. Now what we want to do is actually go and make the box plot for it. Well, first thing we need to do is press y equals. If there's anything typed in there, let's say it said 2x plus 3, we would need to clear it out. So if there's any function there already, go ahead and clear it. Now we need to go to the stat plots. Well, above y equals, it says stat plot. So we're going to press second, y equals. We're going to choose this first one. Notice that right now it shows a picture of a scatter plot and it says off. We need to change it to on, and we need to change it to a box and whisker. So press enter. Now we see it's flashing over on, so press enter. Right now it has chosen a scatter plot. We want the box and whisker plot. So press the down arrow to go here. To get to that one, we just press the right arrow until we see it highlighted. So now it's highlighting the box and whisker plot. Press enter. We see it's going to use L1, which is good because that's where we typed all of this data. Now usually when we graph something we can just press graph, but in this case we actually have to go to zoom first. So press zoom and then go down and look at option 9. Option 9 says zoom stat. That's what we want. So we press enter. Now we can see our box and whisker plot. Now it's a little unclear what all of this data is. What's the min? What's the median? What's Q1? All of that. So to find those, press trace. It'll put you on the median, and it tells us that the median is 21. If I use the right arrow, I can go see Q1 is 16, minimum is 14. Then I can use, oh, I think I said right arrow when I should have said left arrow. But anyway, now I'll use the right arrow and go back over, and I see Q3 is 27 and the max is 37. So this is a good way to make box and whisker plots. Instead of having to do it by hand like we did in the notes, you can just do it in your calculator.